Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download lead capture pages with Leadpages for investment properties step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Leadpages website. Log in to your existing Leadpages account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, locate the dashboard area. Click on the Templates option in the main menu. In the template library, use the search bar to find lead capture page templates suitable for investment properties. Browse through the available templates and select one that aligns with your goals. Click on the chosen template to view its details. Press the Edit button to start customizing the template. In the editor, customize the text fields to include specific details about your investment property. Add images or videos that enhance your listing, showcasing the property's best features. Adjust any color schemes or fonts to match your branding. In the Settings panel, configure the lead capture form to collect necessary information from potential leads. Set up email notifications to ensure you receive updates when new leads fill out the form. Preview your lead capture page to see how it looks on both desktop and mobile devices. Once satisfied with the design, click the Publish button. Choose your domain or opt to publish it on a Leadpages subdomain. Copy the generated URL for your lead capture page. Share this link through your marketing channels to start capturing leads for your investment properties. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.